So, hi Kuya Elsie. Uh, I'm Garvey Ramos po from Bacoor, Cavite. And I want to get that Elsie Learn fan t-shirt. So, the main reason why I want to meet you in person and I want to get the t-shirt is, Kuya Lloyd, I'm one of your biggest fans. Lahat na lang nilalike ko sa iyo, lahat na lang, pati page, pati lahat ng video mo, pinapanood ko talaga, sobra. Tapos, hindi kasi ako kontento na makita ka sa video, so, I want you to meet in person, and I want to get that Elsie Learn t-shirt. Kasi nga, you said na, it's not for sale. Paano ako magkakaroon nun? Paano ako maging certified Elsie kung wala akong t-shirt na ganon? So, I hope you like this video. And, it's so hot in here. So, Kuya Elsie, I hope na ma-meet kita sa May 11, Sian Mall of Asia. So, and Kuya Elsie, ako po yung gumawa po nung dun po sa Elsie Learns number 38, yung sa akala mo tapos na yun pala, hindi pa. Yung meron pong heart, yung nakalagay anak, suotin mo to para kahit wala kang medal, may panlaban ka. Tapos yung line mo doon, ano to? Tapos sabi nung, I know it's your younger brother. I think it's in a future younger sister. So, ako po yung gumawa no, na nakalagay po dun, wag ka nang choosy, kasi napanood ko lang po yun dun sa part na yun. So, thank you for watching this, Elsie. I love Elsie Learns.